Billboard, baby, do a leap and make them dance when they come on. Everybody looking for a dance floor to run on.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way.
Good morning everyone. The literal scariest thing just happened to me. I was lighting the match and the match snapped. No, listen, right, it was lit first, then the match snapped and it fell on the floor. A lit match fell on the floor and it like touched my joggers. So it's bonfire night finally. Well, it's the 4th of November today. I'm going to be filming until Saturday night, Sunday morning roughly. Might even throw in Sunday for you, but I know that I've got a very boring week lined up because I've got UCAS deadlines, assessments. I've been so stressed. That's why I'm so bad with my YouTube at the moment, but it's fine. It's fine. It's you know. Today I've got loads of revision to do because tomorrow I've got a psychology mock exam, but it's also my friend Kathryn's birthday tomorrow, so we're going out tonight for a little celebration. Also, stay tuned because I have completely hacked the best way to make a hot chocolate. So proud of myself, and I will be giving you a full demonstration probably in the next 30 seconds because I'm literally dying for one right now.
I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. Sitting by the window, thinking I'm like you always said. Finally, only shoot me halfway to the moon, and I can't get over that, baby. After loving Jack, there's no going back.
My dad is refurbing the bathroom whilst I'm trying to revise. I've done a total of about 25 minutes revision. I can't even laugh because I am in so much pain right now because of my stupid workout. Not fun. I'm still on social influence. I don't even know why I'm revising social influence because I definitely know the most about it. I don't know anything about psychopathology yet. For some reason I'm like, nah, fuck it. I don't know what I'm expecting at this point. I really have completely done this to myself. I've just spent about 3 hours on TikTok. Really productive day actually. Really well done. Really well done. Future me is going to be really proud of myself. I'm ready to go out with my friends. My makeup is genuinely atrocious. I really should have done it earlier, but I thought it would save me time. I spilt bronzer on my white trousers, but like I've already stressed so much about this outfit, so I don't want to change. So that's fun.
I'm so true. So true. So true, Kat. Oh, thanks for those. Okay.
I'm so intrigued.
Cute. Sorry. Yeah, that's well.
So sorry about that. It's for a little kiss better.
Oh, cute. Thanks, Lou.
It's okay.
Wait, what's that? Oh, soap. Got it.
That's what I was squishing. I was like,
Yeah, you have to add in the bacon.
give it to you.
I just say just one. Because it feels like maybe
Thanks, Lou.
No probs. Rate your experience out of 10.
food is very nice.
Minus 1,000 guys from the birthday girl herself. Chad? Out of 10.
Food good, yeah, satisfaction.
That doesn't sound like a number to me. She's gone for minus 1,000.
I was gonna go with a 5, but maybe 3.
Okay. 3 is generous. The face of a slap toss. It's the classic. It's the classic. Overall, not even food and service separate. My goodness.
Oh god.
I didn't ask. I didn't ask you.
Stop.
I'm sorry. I've lost my custard. I'm sorry. I thank you for paying the extra £1. Please tell me. Please tell me. Please, please tell me. Please. The people want it.
I'll go for 2. The 2 points is just for the company.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it wasn't injected. It wasn't injected brownie.
The greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medicated. Ironic, I gave him love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she been waiting.
My creativity skills helping me to implicate my uni. My unique views, which will get personal. I would love to be able to develop my communication skills through working alongside other people in the
Fighting hard for your love and I'm running thin on my patience. Need someone to hug you, took back to the basics.
Get in this position.
We're off to my sister's because we're off to
Hi guys. We're off to
my sister's because we're off to a bonfire. Luce on the cam.
I'm on the cam, literally. All the A-level photography students.
That's your nose. That's your nose.
Sorry. All the while I'm trying to
students.
flex. All the media, all the photography students are just quaking right now.
And I'm in charge of Google Maps.
Yeah, she's not doing a good job.
Yes, I am.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So
Hi guys.
we're at Bethan's flat, and Ali G has just informed us that there's actually not a bonfire. It's of course you can. Yeah. So Lou packed for a bonfire.
Hi.
So basically, what a fucking liberty! And we've turned down our favourite bonfire because we were going to go there. Okay, there's youths. And one of the street rangers comes up to us and was like, "It was a hoax."
It was a hoax. Like it was a fake article.
It's just a fox. Oh. Hi guys, so it's Saturday. I finished my shift at work and now I am en route to another bonfire. Oh, there's fireworks. So I'm just off to Leah's now and we're gonna go get the train.
Hey guys.
Excitement on one scale of 1 to 10.
500. I'm so excited. 500. I have to go with the same actually.
Yeah.
500.
Lou, get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop star, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I got into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leaving you, fathers, you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you.
You're my starlight, I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I need you.
Hi, so we're back from the bonfire. It was really good, it was really fun. So I don't think I'm gonna film anymore because tomorrow, like I said, I've got exams next week. I say exams plural, I do, but they're actually both on the same day, which is so annoying. Which is actually, funnily enough, Monday. So I've got to do revision all day tomorrow to get through those. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed your bonfire nights. Hope you didn't get pranked. I can't believe that happened. That feels like a year ago, but like it was yesterday. So yeah, like I said, my next video is going to be my London vlog, and then, ladies and gents, after that it's going to be Vlogmas. I can't believe that. So you've only got, if you were at the end of this video, you've only got one more video to Vlogmas. How'd you feel? How'd you feel? Feeling good? Because I'm feeling great. So yeah. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, and subscribe and join the H-Dog Hive if you love this video. Bye!